Dear viewers, listeners, and readers. Assalamu alaikum. The employees of public and private sectors often fall in confusion how to know about the laws, rules, and regulations governing their respective service. In such condition they remain unaware of their duties and rights. Consequently, they fall prey to confusion and feel handicapped to ensure service delivery as required. Sometimes they lose their jobs. Departments/organizations also suffer. In order to sensitize the employees, this lecture series has been prepared. It is also aimed at creating awareness about various laws, rules, and regulations and aspects of public administration. The content of the lecture shall not be quoted in any kind of legal matter or reproduce in making legal claim, etc. I hope that the series will help the employees to know various laws/rules, understand different dynamics/aspects of their respective employment, and get them prepared for discharging their duties and responsibilities with peace of mind and up to the optimum level with efficiency and dedication in the public interest. The lecture series. Today lecture number 15 of the series is presented to honorable viewers, listeners, and readers. Topic of the lecture is budget making and passing process. Budget is defined as a statement of earnings and expenditure of a financial year. It is prepared to estimate the revenue generation and classify the expenditure. Budget making preparation is imperative from home to a country. Though it is not important for home in comparison to a country or a province/state, but unless head of home do not focus on one's earning and requirements, one may not spend earning prudently. Same applies to a country or a province. Process of budget preparation of a country or a province gets roots from the law of the land. The constitution of a country is supreme law and provides guidance and provisions for carrying out political, economic, administrative, and cultural etc. business. The Ministry of Finance Government of Pakistan is responsible to make budget and present to the Majlis-e-Shura at central level. At provincial level, Finance Department of respective province prepares budget and present to the concerned provincial assembly. In 1973, Third Constitution of Pakistan was passed and enforced in the country. It provides federal parliamentary form of government. It provides for two main streams of government, for example central government and provincial government. The Constitution also provides for the preparation of budget at central and provincial level. Budget is also called annual budget statement. Article 80 of the Constitution provides as under. 1. The federal government shall, in respect of every financial year, cause to be laid before the National Assembly a statement of the estimated receipts and expenditure of the federal government for that year, in this part referred to as the annual budget statement. 2. The annual budget statement shall show separately a. The sums required to meet expenditure described by the Constitution as expenditure charged upon the Federal Consolidated Fund, and b. The sums required to meet other expenditure proposed to be made from the Federal Consolidated Fund, and shall distinguish expenditure on revenue account from other expenditure. Article 70 provides for procedure of presenting a bill to the legislature. Broadly speaking, there are two main types of bills, i.e. money bill and non-money bill. A bill containing budget is called money bill, and it is necessary to declare such bill a money bill. Clauses 1 and 1a of Article 73 of the Constitution provides procedure of originating money bill at national level. It says, a money bill shall originate in the National Assembly provided that simultaneously when a money bill including the finance bill containing the annual budget statement is presented in the National Assembly, a copy thereof shall be transmitted to Senate, which may, within 14 days, make recommendations thereon to the National Assembly. It further provides, the National Assembly shall consider the recommendations of the Senate, and after the bill has been passed by the Assembly with or without incorporating the recommendations of the Senate, it shall be presented to the President for assent. Clause 2 of Article 73 of the Constitution provides criteria to declare a bill as money bill. Its Clause 3 provides, a bill shall not be deemed to be a money bill by reason only that it provides a. For the imposition or alteration of any fine or other pecuniary penalty, or for the demand or payment of a license fee or a fee or charge for any service rendered, or b. For the imposition, abolition, remission, alteration, or regulation of any tax by any local authority or body of local purposes, like Majlis-e-Shura, Parliament. The provincial legislatures are also empowered under the Constitution to pass their respective provincial budget. Article 115 of the Constitution provides for criteria of money bill to be presented in the Provincial Assembly. After passing money bill by the Provincial Assembly, same is presented to the Governor for assent. Clause 2b of Article 116 of the Constitution provides, in the case of a bill other than a money bill, return the bill to the Provincial Assembly with a message requesting that the bill, or any specified provision thereof, be reconsidered and that any amendment specified in the message be considered. After assent of the Governor, bill shall become law and be called an Act of Provincial Assembly as provided under Clause 4 of Article 116 of the Constitution. Attempt has been made to create awareness about budget making and passing process in the light of the Constitution. However, viewers are urged to refer the Constitution of Islamic Republic of Pakistan for getting more information. Text of this lecture shall not be quoted by anyone for any purpose.